Morning guys, July 28th, 2023. This one here I got a call from a guy. He says his condensate line on his air conditioning is not working and it flooded the ceiling, blew through the ceiling. So that don't sound good. He says I worked for him before at a different job. But anyway, hopefully the pan's not all rotted, the secondary pan. Because it's Friday afternoon here and I got shit going on the weekend, and we'll see how bad it is. He said it's a rental, so obviously they don't care if there's water coming through the ceiling. They just want their AC working, right? But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can find out what's going on with it. Maybe, hopefully, it's just the condensate lines blocked. We can pull a vacuum on that, get that cleared, and get it going for the guy, hopefully. He says it's working, it's just flooding the place. So, might be interesting. Where's the condenser?
In the ceiling.
No, the outside unit.
Oh, right underneath the stairs.
Okay. Has it been cooling okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's probably it over there. Let's go take a look inside. Can we get to the attic or not?
Yes, you can.
Is it a pull stair or?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a look at that. I need a light up there. We might be able to put a vacuum here and see if we could pull it. It's got a hose on it. It's kind of queer.
Good thing about it, there was a tub right where it broke.
Yeah, not crazy. Oh, so we gotta pull down.
In the bathtub right where it came apart.
Holy shit. She let loose on you, huh? It's a high velocity system.
Oh, is it?
Wow.
What's that drain
what a
right
flipping
there?
mess. That's a sink drain.
I thought so, yeah. Because I see a 3/4 going this way.
Yeah. Well, maybe we could vacuum it out downstairs.
There was a lot of water right in this area.
Was it right there?
Yeah, the insulation was drenched.
Wow. What a flipping mess,
So
huh?
then I see.
It's full of water there. See it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try cleaning the drain from outside, and then I might be able to.
It's the drain here.
No, that's like a safety pan.
Safety pan in case the other one's
If I can get on the other side there. Why don't we try pulling a vacuum on it from outside? That drain part first, okay?
It doesn't look like it goes to the...
Must be the drain. You got one or two ACs? Just one?
One, yeah.
That's probably it. So let's pull a vacuum on that, and then I'll see if I can get this water out of here. Flipping crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Comes to shit like this, you never know. Let's see if we can get it. We'll see the water coming out of here when we turn the vacuum on if there's anything. We'll keep an eye on this and see, we'll be able to see.
I hope so.
matter. I don't think there's anything in it anyway. Yeah, thing blew off. Seems to want to pull. We'll probably have to try plan B here. It's draining right down in the tub there, right?
Yeah.
Is it going decent flow?
Yeah, now I just squeezed another kink out of it.
Yeah, once we get the kinks out of it, it'll start draining.
Yeah, it's full flow now.
I should pull it while I work on the rest of it. Obviously this thing didn't shut it off. I'll have to tip it. Is it still draining?
Yeah. Yeah.
At least we're right over the tub. If something happens, we can get a... All right, why don't you go turn on the AC? Turn it on, and we'll see if it. Turn on the air conditioner.
It's on. Oh no.
Hang on.
Turn it on, so we'll see if it starts draining outside.
Better turn it on.
I'll be able to see if it's draining in here. Well, that hose is working pretty good, huh? That little drain hose is working pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Not my first rodeo, you know. I should be able to see it start draining outside. I'll have to check this AC unit. These things are known to leak, this Unicos. They're known to leak. We'll have to let it run for a bit, see if it starts dripping outside. It should start dripping outside in a little while. Well, this thing's pretty flippin' hot. This thing's really hot. Condenser's gonna need to be cleaned. It's all done draining. Drain most of it. Drain most of it out, I'll tell you. Yeah, we're not draining it yet, Dan. We'll give it some time. Could have just been really hot because it's so hot up in the attic.
Yeah.
This is all looking probably pretty good here, to be honest with you. While I'm here, I want to check it, right? Oh yeah, she's dirty in the back. See the back, how dirty it is? Compressor sweat, it might be overcharged. Is it sweating? Well, maybe not, no. So I guess we got the water. I think it keeps in it now.
Sorry?
We did this to your other unit last year, didn't we?
Yes, you did.
she's pretty sweaty too. Compressor's not sweating. We gave it a good cleaning. It's gonna take a little while to dry out, but I'm gonna put my gauges on it, check it. Yeah, that's it. That's what we want to see right there. See that?
Yep.
That's the humidity from the house coming out.
That's amazing.
Yeah. And I don't know why you had this flipping hose on there, but that was up inside.
Well, that drained it into the drain.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks partially blocked to me. You want to put that back? It's all flipping slimed up already. Are you concerned about that?
I don't think so.
Why don't we put a 45 on it or something and get it away?
Yeah, is there a way to get it into the drain? Sure, that's what they did. Sure,
I might be able to put a 45 and a piece of pipe on it or something. I mean, if that's what you want to do. I mean, I'd rather see it than know it's working.
Yeah,
What happens when the flipping rains out? Everything gets wet anyway, right? I mean, I could put a 45 on it and a piece of pipe and put it in there, I guess.
Water isn't going to do any damage, that's for sure.
No, I mean... Hot day like this, 25 for superheat's fine, so we're fine with the superheat. Subcooling's a little high. I just washed the coil with a hose, so suction's alright at 70. Charge is fine. Leave it right there. See, the compressor's not sweating. Never want to see a compressor sweat. See, it's not sweating. That's good. Suction line is nice and wet. Our liquid line's a little hot still, but it ain't crazy hot down here. It's flipping hot upstairs because of the attic. That's not bad right there. We're gonna leave the charge alone. The head pressure would have been a lot higher if I didn't clean it. No drips. It's an 05. It's an R22 unit. Yeah, R22. 05. 105. So that's not bad. It's working good. It's working. The charge is fine. Feel that? That's the heat coming out of the house.
Oh yeah.
It's nice and sweaty down here. You can feel that pipe going into it. Feel that pipe. Feel how it's cold and sweaty?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the way I like my chicks.
Oops, that's still good.
She's really coming out of there now. I'm just checking, make sure I don't leave no tools behind. She's running. She's a runner, mama. Condensating nice. Told him to leave it out. Let it drip on the ground. Don't worry about it. Fucking. She's really cooking. She's really cooking there. That's what we want to see. That's a nice stream right there. That's what we want to see right there.